For an ordinary one, my subject very important because you don't know about your body, human body. You will be not in perfect, but I am unable to explain you all about our human body. Perhaps I give you some information about our human body, and that may give you some helps in future. Okay, let me to start. See, our body is not a mechanical product. It is a biological product, and it consuming biological product and delivering energy for our movements. Why I am going to tell about the mechanical and biological? Because you know that when vehicle is using a fuel that is producing energy, that fuel also in ancient time it was a biological product and converted as a crude oil and giving now as a petrol or fuel or kerosene or something else. The same thing, our body required fuel. That fuel we are getting from vegetables, fruits, seeds, and from the animals. So we are eating that kind of foods and we producing energy, and this energy is converting to our movements, our eyes function, our stomach function, our heart functions, our kidney functions, our lungs functions, our brain functions, our tongue functions, our teeth functions, our reciprocal system total functions, our urinary system functions, our digestive systems functions, such like many functions are doing with this energy. Okay, you got some points. So we eating a combination of food is very good for health. That I produced in Jittumon Jittu. From there you can get which are the suitable foods, which are the combination of foods, etc. etc. Okay, the five major function of our body is our eyes, ears, brain, like important functions, and so many functions more joined working for our body system perfectly to work. The major functions are our bone system, neurosystem, and other digestive systems, etc. etc. Because I am not reading anything, just from my mind I am saying something. That's why maybe I mix or missed something to tell you. Don't mind that. You just study our body about anatomy with any health book or something. You can get it maximum. This for only preliminary knowledge for a ordinary man how to understand all. Okay, because time also important. A long video nobody can interest. The major function of our system is digestive system. That is important for function of all systems. So our teeth function or our tongue function, our enzyme production of our mouth, etc. etc. Our liver function. These kind of functions are very important for digestive systems. So we need to take a care for that. it is an open door and easily to attack any disease. Same thing in nose and lungs function. They are also open air space, so you need to take care of that areas. That also open places. The other places like kidney, heart, heart, brain, all are inside stage, but that also you need to take care. Okay, that out caring product of lungs and stomach like that, so many bacteria virus are attacking, and you need to take right time medicine, and you need to uh, follow up medicines for if any you get a disease occur. The good thing, you take good food and a proper timing of food and a minimum quantity of food reduce your many problems, and you living in a good atmosphere, a good air, fresh air give you good breathing, also result a proper fueling into your cells. Now I am telling about cells is the main important for our movements. Our muscles are made by cells. Muscles help you to speed up your jobs, routine jobs. You can run, you can jump, all like through these muscles. And heart also supporting for pressure, taking giving a pressure. Okay, now you understood the function of heart in simple way and the function of cells. More than that, we eating food is liver is preparing itself to making a direction to some glands to produce different kinds of sub products for our ear, our eyes, our bones preparation, our teeth preparation, all based on liver. Liver producing these kind of products and distributing through blood. Blood is a way to fueling cells. What we are eating, that will be converted as a blood inside. You can see many things, sugar, proteins, etc., that you will be study in another session, or you can study somewhere else. Okay, now you got the point of how that fuel is transmitting. Okay, water also very important. You need more than 50% of water for your body, so drinking water in sufficient is good for health. So don't forget, you can drink water whenever you get, and somebody will tell you the proper way how much quantity you need to drink a day. Okay, fruits also give you maximum drinking water, and other way you can get fresh water. And all, if you getting a fresh water, you need to sterilize if there is any dirty, because today is many places you are getting, they say fresh water, but maybe inside there is many problems with that water. So heating up more than 5 minutes in 100-degree temperature also good for healthy condition of a water product. Okay, so water, fuel, fuel means food. Water, food and air is a three items are developing our body system, and while we are growing also helping these three products. Okay, now I think next class I will try to explain you